You can still make more money with a SoFi high yield savings account despite their most recent interest rate cut. Okay. Now, I just wanted to provide this update because not too long ago I made a video talking about how you can make so much more in passive income from their high yield savings account, whereby at the time the interest rate that they were paying was the APY basically was 4%. Now that has reduced to 3.8%. I just recently got an email from them, I think it was maybe 2 days ago, or a day or two ago, maybe somewhere there, whereby they were just basically saying that the interest rate has reduced from 4% APY to 3.8% APY. Well, despite that reduction, I would still highly encourage you to have a savings account, a high yield savings account with a SoFi, as opposed to parking your money in your traditional brick and mortar bank, the likes of like Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, because they are still paying somewhere around the probably around like 0.01%. So with $10,000 as an example, after 1 year just sitting inside your savings account with one of those bigger banks, right, you would only be making roughly $1 basically. Let's just say it was the range, let's just say it ranges anywhere from 0.01% to 0.04%. You would be making anywhere from $1 to $4. Whereas with SoFi, a SoFi high yield savings account, which is where you probably want to be saving more, keeping more of your savings, you would make on that same $10,000 about $380 after 1 year. Okay. Now the good thing is, despite this cut, they're still giving out the referral bonuses that they have been giving up until this point. So if you click the first link in the description below this video, it'll take you to a page that looks just like this one. And if you sign up for an account, you will get $25 for free. Okay. It's a $25 welcome bonus when you deposit $50 or more. Now, when you go through the sign-up process, if you want to receive that $25 welcome bonus virtually instantly, in my case, it took about 15 to 20 minutes. When you get to the point where you're depositing money in your account, you're going to have two options: to either do an ACH transfer, whereby you're transferring money from your current existing bank into your SoFi account. That's going to take about 2 to 3 business days, and you're going to have to wait until the money actually deposits before you receive that $25 welcome bonus. Whereas if you do the other option, which I would recommend, you use your debit card, your current existing bank issued debit card of the bank that you already have, deposit that $50 in there, and you will instantly get you'll get that $25 bonus, like basically within the next like 15 to 20 minutes or so. Okay. Then if you refer anyone to open a high yield savings account with SoFi, you'll get a $75 commission. Okay. So full transparency, if you use that link in the description below, I will earn a $75 commission at no additional expense to you whatsoever, right? As a matter of fact, you would be getting an additional $25, which you otherwise would not have gotten if you didn't use my link, right? If you just go, like you see here, you can earn up to $325. If you just go directly to SoFi.com, you would only be able to get like $300 in bonus money. Now, in order to get that additional $300 on top of the $25 that you're going to get, guaranteed just for opening the account and depositing $50, in order to get that additional $300, you would have to set up direct deposit. Excuse me. You'd have to set up direct deposit, and from the day you receive your first direct deposit, you have 25 days to receive, basically, if you receive anywhere in between $1,000 but less than $5,000, right? So anything equal to $1,000 but less than $5,000, you would get a $50 bonus. If you receive anything via direct deposit that ranges anywhere from $5,000 or more, then you will get that $300 bonus, okay? And you have to receive that money within 25 calendar days, okay? From your first direct deposit, right? So that's that's essentially that. So that's still that they're still doing that, okay? So if you've ever considered getting a high yield savings account, which I would encourage you to do, rather than just leaving your money, not making money in your regular brick and mortar account, then go ahead and do this. You would still get those you would still get those bonuses, and you would still be getting a much higher interest rate than your regular brick and mortar bank, okay? There was something else that that's not coming that I wanted to mention that I'm forgetting at the moment. Oh, well, so if you let's just say, for example, if you wanted to make like a quick $100 right now, okay? If you opened up your account, you would get that $25 welcome bonus, right? And then let's say you have your spouse, girlfriend, significant other, whoever that may be, get them to open an account as well, but let them use your referral link, right? When you sign into your account, you will see a place that says get $75, right? You'll have your own referral link. Give your referral link to your spouse or your girlfriend, whoever that is, or if you have a friend, anybody you know, but I just use spouse because that's like the quickest person that you would know, or your kids that are, that are of age, right? Use your referral, give them your referral link, and when they sign up, they'll get $25 for free, and you'll get $75 for having referred them, okay? So you'll have your $25 bonus plus that $75 for referring them. That's $100 for you, and then they'll get $25. So between the two of you, that's already $125 that you've gotten just like that in an hour, okay? So, and when you do get your referral link, you'll have a page that looks exactly like mine right here, okay? You'll have a page that looks exactly like that. And the good thing about this is that your money is also FDIC insured, just like your regular brick and mortar bank, except here you have coverage up to $2 million, whereas your typical Bank of America's, Wells Fargo's, Chase, and all that, you're only insured up to $250,000. With SoFi, they have the $250,000, but then they've partnered with other banks as well to give you that additional FDIC insurance, that FDIC coverage, right? Up to $2 million, right? So no need to worry about, if something were to happen or whatever, like you're covered, right? They are a solid bank. They've been around like since 2011, multi-billion-dollar company. So they're not one of those here today, gone tomorrow type of situations, right? So, but anyway, if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions about this, let me know in the comments. I will be sure to respond. And go ahead and start making some additional money. All right, if you have like your emergency fund and stuff like that, whatever your savings that you just have that is not necessarily invested in the market, for instance, put it in a place like this, okay, where this is like as safe as it gets in terms of I don't even want to call this an investment per se, right? Yes, you're going to make money passively from the interest that you would from the interest that that you would earn on your money just sitting in there, but it's you need to, if you do have an emergency fund, or if you do have savings that you keep tucked away for emergencies, right? Rather than, you're going to have it sitting there anyway, so rather than having it sit there and earn almost nothing, why not have it in a place like this where you can actually be making a whole lot more money from it? Like I mentioned, that $10,000 after 1 year would be, with this new interest rate, is going to be you would have earned the $380, right, over the year. And the good thing is they pay this monthly, by the way. So it's not like you're going to have to wait till the end of the year before you get the $380. Obviously, the $380 is going to be broken up into like 12 months. So whatever that amount is, what it's, every month it will be, it's going to be added to your account every single month. So I would definitely encourage it. And again, on top of that, there's, with each person that you refer, that's $75 every single time. So get 10 people, $750 to get 13 people. That's $1,000 that you can make just like that if you know enough people that you want to refer. So that is that. Okay. Thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch, and I will catch you in my next video. Ciao.